What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get inside MyCourt in NBA 2K26. So if you don't know where to find MyCourt, then watch this video. First of all, we need to open the map to know exactly where we are standing, and to open map, press the view button on Xbox or touchpad on PlayStation, and once you open your map, this cursor shows that where you are standing. And to find our MyCourt on this map, we just need to go towards the far right, and then you can see this is MyCourt. So I wanna set a waypoint here. So while selecting MyCourt, press A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation, then a waypoint will be marked. Now we need to go back from this map, and you can see the location has been marked on my MyCourt. You can see the location towards the front. So I wanna reach there quickly, and to do that, press LB on Xbox or L1 on PlayStation to bring up this skateboard, and then you can use this skateboard to reach there faster. Once you get to this point, just go inside MyCourt area and you will enter the MyCourt. Now in case you wanna exit from here, just go towards the side from where you entered, and just like that you will exit the MyCourt. So this is the process. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.